So I tried to design my own Tesla turbine, and this was my first go at designing one out of 3D printed parts and CDs and hard drive disks. Originally my plan was to have like a center turbine in here and two vacuum pumps on the exhaust, so they would suck on the exhaust and exhaust the gas out of here. So you would have intake here and exhaust here, but this is complete rubbish, and the CD pumps which were here like this didn't really work. And also I believe I only had like 4 discs in the turbine, but then I designed these. These are way better. These have no second stage pump because I don't know if that is even necessary, or these have no second stage pump and they work way better. You will see in a minute. These have way more discs on their rotors, both of them. This is made out of small hard drives and this is made out of regular hard drives. This smaller one is basically the same thing with the same bearings, with very similar centerpiece, just smaller and less discs. The nozzles here are just 2 millimeters wide, which might be a problem because it constricts the flow too much. Maybe if I just dremeled out these nozzles to enlarge them, it might boost performance, just it might fucking boost performance, whatever. That's it. Here are my professional CAD drawings where I swear in this text, and as you can see it's very detailed, completely professional. Here is my professional CAD drawings for this turbine. As you can see, it's very distinguished. I don't even know what this is. So we're gonna try to spin it up with the compressed air a little bit. You can see it spins quite well and it blows significantly when I just let it spin by itself in a pumping mode, and the gyroscopic effect is okay. Now listen to this. This is quite scary, terrifying how fast this spins. And this is just a teaser for another project. I had this old derelict engine which should be functional, and there is even like a motor starter in here, and I would like to like repair it and make a generator out of it. So yeah, I want to run this engine off of wood gas, but I will leave the carburetor in here and everything, so we can still run it off of gasoline or wood gas if we wanted to. This is just like a teaser for another project, but I am extremely lazy, so you will have to encourage me in the comment section if you want to see this happen.